Hey there, art enthusiasts! Welcome to Easy Peasy Art. Today we're diving into the whimsical world of winter drawing, and I've got a super fun idea for you, a cute winter troll. So grab your supplies and let's get started. First up, let's tackle that wild and messy hair. Make it as crazy and tangled as you can. Now onto the winter cap. Imagine it's furry and cozy, covering both sides of the face to keep our troll warm. Don't forget to add those cap details on top for that extra flair. Next, let's sculpt those pointy ears, peeking out from the sides of the cap. For the expressions, give our troll two big round eyes. A big ol' nose, and a wicked smile with two pointy teeth sticking out. This guy's got personality. Moving on to the body, draw a hand holding a giant wooden racket. Our troll is ready to defend against predators. Dress him up in warm, furry rags for that harsh winter weather. And, of course, he's going barefoot everywhere. That's the troll way. Now for some finishing touches, add some pointy metal needles on the racket for that extra cool factor. And there you have it. Our winter troll is ready to come to life. For coloring, I'm going all in with wintry blues. But feel free to get creative with your troll's color palette. Once you're done, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more artistic adventures on Easy Peasy Art. I can't wait to see your winter trolls. Share your creations in the comments below. Until next time, happy drawing, and I'll catch you in the next video.